problem. She fell asleep and we didn't even get to name the dragons. Now wake up! I'm gonna finish your coat. I finished it. Okay, now let's name it. Yeah. Okay, so this is Melody. Catch. Give me that. And this is Bia. We have no time. Hurry up and introduce.
I don't know, and this is what's his name, but I don't
Sabi
know.
mo.
Come on, what should you name it?
Okay, so this is. Oh, this is so hard to put. Rip. This is Jaw Ripper.
And this is Ocean.
And this is Forest. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.